Hi, this is Dean Cressman with ALM. I'd like to share with you our articles of the month for September 2021 on Insurance Coverage Loss Center. Insurance Coverage Loss Center is a tool from ALM and the National Underwriter Company that focuses on the unique aspects of case law and coverage for the insurance and legal industries, specifically insurance coverage case law. So our top 5 articles of the month, this month, you'll see are somewhat dominated by articles that were republished related to the anniversary of 9/11. And also, as you might expect, we have several articles this month that were very popular around business interruption and the COVID-19 pandemic. So moving into the first number 1 article of the month for September was an article written by Angela Elbert and Paul Walker Bright about COVID-19 business interruption losses and whether or not the pendulum is swinging back to favor policyholders. And they go through this in this article and really give an overview of why cases have been going in the direction that they're going and what would really need to happen for cases to swing back into the favor of the insureds in these instances. So it's a great article. Highly encourage you to read it. And you can get to that through Insurance Coverage Loss Center, of course. Our second article of the month for September was an article about the final 9/11 insurance case. Judge Alvin Hellerstein decided the last case pending before him. And this article was published in 2018, but this was dealing with massive property losses caused by the terrorist attacks of 9/11, 2001. And this particular case had to do with aviation defendants and the insurance related to that. And if you'd like to read more about this interesting historical case, you can find it on ICLC. The third article of the month for September was an article about a Chicago court dismissing 17 business interruption suits. So in keeping with our theme here, the insureds in this particular group of cases were dismissed. The cases were dismissed in favor of the insurers because they were not able to prove the direct loss or direct physical loss or damage to covered property, which has been the big sticking point in all of these COVID business interruption cases. The fourth article of the month was another historical article from 9/11, and this article is about the Second Circuit reinstating an insurer's suit against Saudi banks stemming from 9/11 terrorist attacks. Again, it's interesting to go back and read the history of this from an insurance perspective. There were some huge cases that took years to decide. As you can tell, this was written in 2019, more than 8 years after the attack. But it gives you a really good historical perspective on such a significant event that happened to our nation. The last article of the month is actually not an article, but I'm sharing it with you because it was the 5th most popular item on our site for the month of September. As you may or may not know, we actually have policy forms and endorsements available on Insurance Coverage Loss Center. And in this case, this is an additional insured endorsement, an ISO additional insured endorsement on a commercial general liability policy. This was the 5th most popular item downloaded in September. So that's it. That is the top 5 articles of the month for September 2021. As always, if you have any questions about Insurance Coverage Loss Center or you'd like more information about subscribing, please reach out to us. You can email me directly. My email is dcrestman@alm.com, or you can go to our website, which is law.com/insurance coverage loss center. Thank you very much for watching.